Now to a man convicted of murder nearly 2 decades ago, trying to prove his innocence. A hearing on the case was scheduled for today. Our Brandon Walker is live downtown with what happened during the hearing. Brandon?
Well, Lauren, that evidentiary hearing was postponed, reset to January of next year. But the rescheduling turned out to be the tip of the iceberg in what proved to be at times a confusing day in court. By the time Lamar Burks entered the courtroom for what was supposed to be an evidentiary hearing, the day's proceedings had become uncertain. Burks had requested a continuance, one for his legal team to assemble what he says are additional witnesses central to proving his innocence. The other, possibly to part ways with one of his attorneys. Judge Greg Glass allowed for court to recess while Burks and his legal team resolved their apparent differences. The prosecution fought the request for continuance, arguing the evidentiary hearing had been postponed in the past, accusing Burks' team of posturing because a key witness was a no-show. Channel 2 Investigates first told you a jury convicted Burks in 2000, accused of killing a man in a parking lot in 5th Ward back in 1997. A man named Randy Lewis testified before the grand jury that indicted Burks, but in a sworn statement we showed you last night, Burks' legal team says Lewis has flipped. Lewis and Burks' co-defendant, Clayton Brown,
that night there, I never seen Lamar not one time.
Alleged 2 DEA agents coerced them into implicating Burks. Now, former agent Chad Scott was convicted in August by a federal jury on charges of perjury, obstruction of justice, and falsifying records. So if Burks didn't do it, where was he?
I was in Louisiana, en route to my sister's wedding.
This newly uncovered picture from the wedding, as well as a phone record of a collect call from Lake Charles hours before the killing, Burks says further proves his innocence. Now, the Harris County District Attorney's Office stands behind its case. The office released a statement to Channel 2 today, which reads in part, quote, prosecutors were prepared for the scheduled hearing today and were disappointed that it was reset at the request of Burks' counsel. We look forward to the day when Earl Perry's family can finally put this behind themselves. Earl Perry being the man who was shot and killed, his body left in that parking lot in the early morning hours of June 30th, 1997. We're live downtown for you tonight. I'm Brandon Walker, KPRC Channel 2 News.